Hello, it's Lisa here, and welcome to the Cliffs of Moher. Yes, it's on the west coast of Ireland on the Atlantic Ocean, and the cliffs are over 700 feet high. Believe me, I stayed on the inside of the fence. But there's puffins that actually nest on these cliffs. We weren't able to see them, but I know they're there. Here's the Castle of O'Brien, and it's actually built right next to the shops that's built within the mountain. We got to have a great lunch with a wonderful view of the Cliffs of Moher, looking straight out the window. Then off we go an hour away to Burren, Ireland, and my sister got locked in the tour bus, not on purpose. So off we go to see the strangest things I've ever seen. It's cracked limestone everywhere. And look, do you see those fence lines? There was miles and miles and miles of fence lines made out of that. How many hands do you think it took, and hundreds of years possibly, to make those rock fence lines? But this limestone was just popping up all over for miles and miles. Enjoy!